Oh no, I can't move my neck.
In her case, it's a neck mobility limitation. We have 3 methods to help her solve this problem. The first movement. We need to find this spot, which is beside the back of our head. There's a sunken place there. Use our thumb to press against it. Then move it back and forth. This is a pressing and pulling motion. Perform this movement 20 times on each side. The second movement. Alongside the cervical spine, we perform a kneading motion. Try to relax the muscles in this area. Doing the same on both sides. Each side should be done 20 times. The third movement. Like this. Use the part between your thumb and forefinger, opened up, to hold the back part of her cervical spine. We divide the cervical spine into 3 sections. Slowly tilt it backward. Continue for a few times. After these 3 movements, she can move around by herself, turning left and right. By now, the cervical spine should feel much more comfortable. Have you learned these 3 methods?